Come along and grab a seat. There's a world of magic at your feet. For best friends with much to do, welcome to Bufomato!
What shall we do today? Let's spin the wheel and find out. Yeah, it's a craft day today. Can you please show me how to make a puppy? I love puppies.
To create an origami dog, we will need a black marker, colored markers, a little bit of glue, and 2 origami papers of the same color. All right, little artists. Are you ready to make a cute little puppy with me? Now fold it diagonally by bringing one corner to touch the other corner and press it down nicely. Zip, zip, zip. Alright, little artists, now let's make our puppy's ears. Take your finger and measure a small distance from one side about 1 finger space and make a tiny mark. This is where we'll create one ear. Now, do the same thing on the other side. Make sure the distance is equal, just like a mirror, so both ears look the same. Perfect! Our puppy is getting ready to have 2 cute little ears. Oh, look at those pretty little ears! Now let's make the puppy's face. Gently take the top corner and fold it upwards. Press it nice. Zip, zip, zip. Now, from the bottom side of the paper, leave a little space and fold it up like this to make the puppy's lower jaw. Tuck this fold behind the upper layer so it stays in place. And don't forget the cutest part, let's make a tiny tongue. Fold a small corner downwards. Oh, that's the puppy's little tongue sticking out. Now, to make the nose, gently fold the top layer slightly downwards like this. Wow! Your puppy's face is looking super cute and full of character.
Are we done yet? What are the colored pens for, and when will we use them, and for what?
That's a great observation. You're absolutely right. The nose and eyes can make our puppy look even cuter and more lively. Let's fix that. Take your black marker and color the puppy's nose. Then draw 2 big round eyes. You can leave a tiny space inside each eye to make them look shiny and full of life. Now add small dots on the puppy's face where the whiskers are, and don't forget to color the tongue red. Now that's great, the puppy's face is ready. Keep it aside and take another origami paper. Now let's build the puppy's body. Place the paper like this and fold it diagonally, edge to edge. Press it nicely. Zip, zip, zip. Now place the paper at a right angle. Take the bottom right side and fold it like this to make the puppy's tail. Press it again. Zip, zip, zip. Turn it around in this way and check the placement of the face. Next, apply a little glue on the top like this and carefully stick the puppy's face onto the body. I'm adding a collar to make this puppy even cuter. You can add a collar of your choice too. Now, let's add a few brown spots on the puppy's body like this to give it a fun look. Next, draw the legs of the dog and add some pretty little paws for extra detail. And just like that, your cute puppy is ready. Now, apply some glue on the backside and carefully paste it into your book. Great job, little artist!
Hey, can we add some more details and make this artwork complete?
Aw, that's such a lovely idea. Of course we can. Let's make our puppy's world even more fun and lively. You can draw some cute fluffy clouds in the sky, make them soft and puffy. Then draw a ground line below your puppy and color it green to create fresh, grassy land. And let's add a few tiny birds flying in the sky to make the scene even more happy and playful. Wow, now your puppy has a beautiful little world to play in. Ta-da! Your artwork is ready.
Yeah, it was so much fun creating this little puppy. It really made my day.